GRiPSHORE Plus Trench Box panels are available in lengths of 2 or 3 meters, and can be arranged in a number of configurations for excavation depths from 1.2 to 2.8 meters. Struts allow trench widths from 1 meter to 2.2 meters with an understrut clearance of 770 millimeters. Pin required vertical struts into 1.2 meter panel. Check orientation such that the vertical strut base plate will be in contact with the ground. Slide required horizontal struts onto the protruding arms and secure in place. The opposing vertical struts can now be lowered over the horizontal struts and secured using pins and R-clips. The panel should now be raised into a vertical position. The opposing 1.2 meter panel can now be connected. Stack required amounts of 2 times 0.8 meter panels on top, and connect with pins and R-clips. Over-dig the trench by 100 millimeters so that the GRiPSHORE Plus box can be installed using the dig and drop technique. Never push the box with an excavator bucket. Connect a 4-leg chain to the upper panel lifting points and carefully lower the assembled box into the excavation. Loosely backfill any gaps around the box to avoid injury. Install MGF safety equipment as required. Remove by connecting a 4-leg chain to the 4 uppermost lifting eyes. Do not shock load the chains. If needed, lift one corner at a time to break any stiction. Remove in a continuous backfill and lifting sequence. Disassemble the box in a reverse process to the assembly. Ensure components are fully supported when removing pins.